Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Audi A3 1.4's rear view mirrors fold in. This is going to be a great value for money solution directly from China. It's plug and play, 100% original, and done the correct way. I'll show you how it's done and even provide you with the product link below. Remember, I don't sell this product. I'm just recommending where you should buy it. I've tried and tested it too. Some of you are subscribers to this channel, and I've installed it in my car to do this test. That means everything I share with you here, I've tested in practice. I buy it, test it, and then I can recommend it to you with absolute certainty. This is a system that you'll see. I'll show you on my computer screen shortly. It's a complete plug-and-play system that allows your car's mirrors to automatically fold in when you lock your car. When you unlock your car, the mirrors will automatically unfold. Just to make it clear, this system is only for the Audi A3 8V model. If someone says it's suitable for other models, they're incorrect. It's just for the Audi A3 8V model. I'm just clarifying this to avoid any confusion, okay? So it'll be down here. It's the first link. I'll show you on my computer screen exactly which kit you have to buy from a reliable seller, the one I bought from and highly recommend. As I mentioned earlier, you're going to buy this product directly from China via the AliExpress website. Remember, I'm not a seller here. We already have the kit for you here. There are some options here when you make your purchase. It's very important that you take a look because there are a few kits. Where you see the little hand or mouse cursor here, in color is the model, indicating exactly which car you're buying for. The second option here is for Audi A3 8V from the years 2014 to 2020. So, if your Audi A3 is from this period, you should choose this second option here, which comes with the complete kit. Okay, if your Audi A3 is a newer model, then you should choose the next option here, which is for the Audi A3 8Y, the facelift model from 2021 to 2023. It also comes with the complete kit. There are options for other car models. For example, there's an option for a Q5, an option for an A4, and two options for a Q. You've got more options for other models, including another Q5, an A6, an A4, an A5, a B8. The price is $834 and $37. Right now it offers free shipping. On my AliExpress it's free shipping. It's currently on sale with a 25% discount. So this is the kit. It's plug and play, okay? You just have to install the whole system, but you don't have to adapt it. You don't have to cut any wires. There's no need to cut the bodywork. You don't have to cut anything. It's 100% ready to use. You're just going to replace the original piece with this one. The mirrors will automatically open and close when you lock and unlock the car.